Hello everyone, this is Sriram and in this presentation we gonna see about Arduino based application and programming. So first of all, let's know what is Arduino. Arduino Uno is a microcontroller and it has 14 digital input or output pins, and it has also 6 analog input pins, and it has a USB connection so that we could connect it with our PC and we could upload our code in it, and it could even be used as a power supply, and it has as an extra power jack for its power supply, and it has a reset button to reset the code so that we could reuse the Arduino board for another purposes. So now let's see about its pin diagram. So these are the digital pins, that is 14 digital pins. So this is the digital pins area, and these are the power supply area where we have 3.3 volt power supply or 5 volt power supply, and two ground pins, and one input voltage pin. And these are the 6 analog pins, that are analog pins 0, 1, 2, 3, and SDN and SCL. So this is the main part of Arduino, which is ATmega 328 microcontroller IC, and Arduino runs because of this. So now let's see about our application. So we are gonna see about a project called smoke detection using Arduino. So to achieve this project, we use MQ2 gas sensor, which helps in detection of smoke, LPG, propane, methane and carbon monoxide. And this sensor could also be used to measure the density of the gas which it senses. And we interface this sensor with Arduino so that we could measure the density of the gas, and we could see the density amount in its serial port of Arduino software. And if the density crosses a limit, the buzzer will be turned on and the LED will also be glowing. So that's the simple program about this project. So this is how the circuit looks. So this is the buzzer, this is how the Arduino Uno looks, and this is the gas sensor, and this is a LED. So whenever the gas sensor detects a smoke and it crosses a setted limit, the buzzer turns on and the LED glows. So that's the project aim. So this is the Arduino code. First of all, let's see about the circuit design in Tinkercad. So this is the Tinkercad circuit, and as you could see, in 12th pin digital pin, the buzzer is connected, and in analog 0th pin, the sensor, that is gas sensor, is connected, and LED is connected to the digital pin 6. As you could see here, D6 LED is connected, and gas sensor is connected to A0 pin. So this is the simple circuit. And now let's see about the code. So this is the Arduino code, as you could see here. First of all, let's set up the code, that is pin mode. LED is set as an output pin, and buzzer is also set as an output pin. So now let's come to the loop, void loop. In void loop, we get a reading from the sensor. This function is used to get reading from the gas sensor, that is analog read gas input. So we will get the reading from the sensor with the help of this function, and this red value will be printed in the serial port. So to print in the serial port, we use this command serial.println gas. So the measured density value will be printed in the serial port with the help of this command. And after that we will be setting the density to 0, and LED will be turned on. So if the density crosses a value like above 200 or above 80, the LED and buzzer will be turned on. So this is how the buzzer is turned on. Tone function triggers the buzzer to turn on, so that the buzzer rings, and LED will also glow with this help of this command. So that's all. We create a 100 microsecond delay, and we will be looping this again and again, so that the measured value will be measured again and again, and if it crosses a limit, the buzzer will be buzzing on. So now let's see about its simulation. So this is the Tinkercad which we saw earlier. So let's start simulation. Okay, it started, and if we click the gas sensor, you could see the smoke here. If the smoke gets near to the gas sensor, uh, as you could see, the buzzer buzzes and the LED glows. If I take the smoke far away from the gas sensor, the buzzer and LED will be in off condition. If it is getting near, as near, the buzzer will be turned on and the LED will be turned on. So this is how the sensor works. Now let's see the density value, and here is the serial monitor. So at this case, the minimum value will be 85. As we move the smoke near to the sensor, the value changes. As you could see, now it is 86, and if you move near, it shows 102, and if you move near and near, it shows the highest value like 200. 136, 137, this is the highest value. So now let's stop the simulation. The buzzer sound is too loud, so that's all. When the gas is near to the gas sensor, the density value will be increasing and the buzzer sound will also be increasing. So that's all for this project. So this is the Arduino code, and this code runs successfully. So after compiling, it shows done compiling and there's no error shown in this box Arduino software. So that's all for this small application on Arduino, and implementation and simulation of it using Tinkercad software. So thanks for watching. Thank you.